Here's a large parcel of Potch and Colour seam opal from Lightning Ridge, rules in millimetres. It's a lower grade deal, but the size of the pieces might get some nice big pendants, lend themselves to being hung on leather cords. But we'll zoom in a bit so we get a better look. Okay, I've zoomed in. As you can see, the rules in millimetres there. So it's 30-40 millimetres across, 50 mil long probably. But, some of this has an opal hue in it, if that's the way to put it, or it's a weak colour bar. There's a bit of red showing up here on the top. If you grind that off and get more colour, pink over here. Same with this, again, pinks on the top. Some's not so evident. The price reflects the quality. For someone that wants to learn, this would probably be a good parcel in that they're nice big pieces to hold with your fingers rather than having to try to dop them. Some pink reds in here. Another colour showing there. Other pieces like this here. No, again. Colour bar. But it's a weak colour bar, so it's again it's evident here. I can see it, whether it's showing up on the screen with the lights, it's hard to tell. Oh, there's some pinks there showing on the right hand end there. Just catching it in the right position with the lights. So there's a lot of material here for the price. This is a bit better. Showing nice colour. Salmon pinks on the end there. Coming around. Anyway, I think that gives you an idea. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.